If you're thinking of ordering any walkie-talkie, or you've been wondering where to get walkie-talkies, this is the best channel for you, and these are the best walkie-talkies that you can get in Uganda. These are the best walkie-talkies that you can get in Uganda today, or you can get in the world today. Just order, the numbers in the description, order on WhatsApp. Okay, these are the best, and we have discounts for those who order on wholesale. If you want them on wholesale and you are in Uganda, we can give you a discount. If you're a security company or an events company, we can supply you whatever pieces you need. Alright, so remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. These are the best walkie-talkies for 2025, 2026 that you need. And since we are going into the election period next year, you might need some of this. So remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. On our number one list, we have the Baofeng UV-5R. Okay, this is one of the best walkie-talkies to ever be made in 2024-2025. Okay, it has a small display on the top here. It has three main functions. It has the FM radio function, it has the alarm function, and it has the digital frequency setting function. So you can set your frequency digitally. Okay, it has the touch function also. It has a relatively medium antenna and very strong. Okay, you can see. So to put it on, it comes here with a power button. You just have to turn it clockwise. Okay, that is when you have turned it on. So if you want to use the torch, just have to press a button here on the side. You just have to press a button here on the side. You can see. Okay, so if you want to change the FM to you switch from frequency to FM here. You can see. Okay, so if you want to switch it to any radio that you want, you just have to type in the frequency number and then it will automatically go to the radio station you want. Alright, I'll try 89.3, that is KFM in Uganda. You can see. So that is the Baofeng. Okay, that is the Baofeng UV-9R. It has a battery of 1800 amps. Alright, so it can last you for days because it has no big function as it does. On the side here, it comes with the options of headphones. These headphones have dual entrance. They have the microphone option and the earphone option. So these are the headsets that they come with. Okay, this is how they look. They come with two options. Okay, so you can just stick them here, just like this. Then you're good to go. It also comes with a clipper. You just put it on the side here, and when you put it on the side, you can hook it on your pants if you're going anywhere. Okay, so that is the Baofeng UV-5R. In case you need to set any channel, like I told you, it's very simple. If you need to talk to anyone with the same, because you have to buy a pair, you just have to set it on the same frequency for you to be able to talk. You just push to talk. As you can see here, they tell you push to talk. Once you press this button, you can talk to the other person who is set on the same frequency as yours. Alright, so long as that is within the same range, because they can cover up to like
5 kilometers.
Okay, so for anyone who is a security guard, if you work in a building as a security guard, any security company, events companies, you'll need this. You don't need to buy any airtime, just recharge and talk. You just charge and talk. Okay, I have this. This is the Baofeng UV-9R. It is better than this, the Baofeng UV-5R. You can see, compare them in height. This is more longer and has a battery that is slightly bigger than the UV-5R. It has a longer aerial, okay, and it is a dual band FM receiver. It has a bigger torch, you can see. Okay, what comes in the box of the UV-9R? They'll give you a charging port. You can see, it comes with a charging port in the box. It comes with a Type-C charger. You can charge in the Type-C charger. At the same time, you can charge in the port here, like this. Okay? It has 2 charging systems. Okay? It comes with headsets as well. As I showed you, you can just open it up here. That is where they go. You put headsets. These headsets comes with they come with a microphone also. Okay? They'll give you a clip on the back where you have to screw it there so that you can be able to hang this thing on your pants. In case you're a security guard or you're working, you don't have to hold it always. You can hang it and communicate from there while you work. They'll give you this strip. It can also help you to hang this. Okay, that is the Baofeng UV-9R packaging. That is how it comes. When you switch it on,
channel mode.
Okay, it has the FM mode.
Animal production management, aqua production and management, pamala pisibe sinya kuba sinya 6 sande sande abojje tukuyigirize okulima omuno okunda okuliko ekyavuyo nga tukutoza n'omanyi okuzivuga esigalina tumisankulala kulamwenga takamuna.
That is the frequency mode. So you switch here, it has these 2 buttons. You can just switch if you want the FM mode or the frequency mode. This, the second button, is for the torch. Okay, so for if you're working as a security guard on a construction site or anywhere where there is no light, you don't have a torch, this can help. Those are basically the most important function. The rest you just have to set it. Okay, you just have to set it using these buttons. Even for the FM, you just have to set it using these buttons. That is all. That is the UV-9R. It is a very strong, it comes with a 1800 amps lithium battery, rechargeable, waterproof. Okay, all you have to do is you have to buy a pair, and when you buy this pair, you just have to push and talk. You just push and talk to the other person on the same channel. Simple as. Okay, so make your orders on WhatsApp. The number is in the description. Remember to give me a like, subscribe, and share. KT Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that brings you gadgets that you need in your daily life. Alright, so I'll bring you our last option. This is the Baofeng BF888S. Okay, it is very portable. It comes with the charging port. It has no Type-C, it comes with only the charging port. They'll give you a clip for you to be able to hang it on your pants. So you just screw it on the back and you hang it on your pants. They'll still give you this strip. It's also to help you hang it on your pocket. That is basically it. That is the Baofeng BF888S. Alright, it comes with 2 buttons. One for the volume and one for setting the frequency. Okay, it has 16 channels. So when you are putting it on, it is simple.
Welcome, 16.
So it is on channel now 16. So for you to be able to communicate with the other person with the same model, you just have to set the same frequency as them. Like
15, 14, 12, 11, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2.
1.
Okay, so if I put on channel 1, I just have to push here and then I talk to the other person and then they'll hear me. Simple as. No need to put any airtime, no need to do anything. So long as they're within the same range, just set the same frequency and you will be able to hear each other. You can see it comes with 2 buttons here also. Here it has a small touch. They give you a small touch. It's not that strong, but it can still help and do the work a little bit. So that is the Baofeng BF888S. Okay, it is a very good model. If you want to order, the number is in the description. Just order yours. It comes in a pair. If you want in large quantity, you have a very good discount. Alright, so remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. This is Getty Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that will visit for you gadgets in Uganda. Alright, let's go.